Okay, hey everyone. Right.
Sorry.
Welcome back to Shuttler Productions. Patrick just farted.
Seriously, just as you.
Yeah, just as we started.
Can we redo that?
No, we're not redoing. We're not
Just
redoing.
keeping it. Okay.
We're gonna keep it. Okay, so, what is the plan for this episode?
I'm gonna continue with the house. So
I'm still trying to find iron. You know,
Patrick's still trying
I've
to
got
get
6 stacks of cobblestone, no iron.
oh, bring me that cobble afterwards.
Do you have an iron pickaxe?
No.
You should
I still have my wood. Oh, I should have made a stone pickaxe. I'm such a noob, actually. It's fine. It's fine. I've got plenty of wood.
Oh my
right?
gosh.
Plenty of wood.
The ladies don't.
Of course.
Do they?
Of course.
Shut up.
Right,
Okay, but yeah.
Right, so there's some beds upstairs if you want to come reset your spawn.
Okay, yeah, I will reset this.
1 second.
Oh, he's making another crafting table.
Well, it's fine. Any crafting tables we need.
So many of them. Oh my gosh. Parkour
Okay.
Pro.
Oh yeah, we're gonna build a water fountain out in the lake, aren't we?
Oh, what a furniture.
Like a little fountain, aren't we? Are we still gonna do that?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Just
Okay,
after
awesome.
I parkour my way up to the top.
That Paddy earned an achievement, getting an upgrade.
Yeah.
It's called a stone pickaxe.
When did you get your getting wood achievement?
Right at the very start.
That's good.
Oh my gosh, you children.
You're a children too, okay?
I'm not a child.
You're
Oh, I forget all
you're a
this stuff.
children
It's
too. I
weird
can
now.
English very well. Oh, iron! I got iron!
Oh my gosh, volume Patrick.
I got
I
so much
I
iron.
thought something bad had happened there.
I got so much. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, I lost my bow.
Thank
and
you,
stuff.
iron gods.
thank you,
Da,
Aaron.
da, 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 da,
Okay, we're gonna have a bigger window there. Fantastic.
Yeah, so bigger, right, so
Bigger window.
we're gonna have bigger
Bigger window.
windows, nice balconies, majestic towers, and I'm just like fending off all the monsters.
I heard an explosion.
I'll make that
Yeah.
house.
What?
Can I make that house?
You can
You can make an outhouse.
Yeah. Oh, I found more iron.
better be
Oh,
like-
I'm the iron master.
It better be really good.
The
for
Iron
us.
Master. I think we could debate
Master the
Oh.
of your mastery.
I'm
Of
gonna
your master.
master.
We could have a master debate.
Oh no.
Yep.
Right, I'm gonna. Oh dear, this is gonna take a while.
Oh, I'm literally just running around.
Why?
Right, Calum, give me a job to do.
Need cobblestone.
Okay. Right. See if you come up here somehow. You want some dirt? I can get you dirt. You can climb up.
I have cobblestone I can use.
I have 5
Right. Okay. So climb up here. I'm gonna lay these around. Can you take these logs?
Wait, what do you want to do?
Take these logs
Hi ho.
and like
hi ho.
place them
It's off to
like
work we go.
on this face.
Hi ho. Hi ho.
Wait.
It's
Right.
off to work we go.
So
No.
oh my gosh.
Oh, there.
It's off
Like
to work
against,
we go.
like here,
Hi ho.
on this side.
Hi ho.
Like that.
It's off to
No.
work we go.
Look at
Like
that.
facing up like that.
Nope. Facing out of the way. From that log. Like move.
Wait, oh, I think I know what you mean. Like that.
Like yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna go around with.
Okay, you put them all the way around, then I'll do it. Patrick,
What?
What are you doing?
use your mastery skills and get us iron.
Just put a.
I've
up and
got
up
a
facing
stack.
one there.
No, no, not a stack. Like
You've got a stack of iron already.
23.
Oh, that's not quite a
That's-
stack.
Well, you
Not
know,
even
it's a
half.
third. It's a third. Shut up.
Your nibbiness.
Shut
It's just
up.
too much.
By stack, I mean a bunch, okay?
A bunch.
A bunch, yes. A bunch being 23. 20, because I need 3 to make a pickaxe.
How do you want me to go around the?
And
This
1
bit.
to
Yeah,
make a
just
flint and
leave that
steel.
Okay.
Oh no, zombies.
I'm gonna try and figure out.
Do you have a sword, Pat?
I'm making 1,
Okay.
and I'm making a flint and steel. Oh, where'd you keep the
Where do we keep the flint?
flint?
It's a
Where do we
flint
keep
drawer.
Where do we keep the flint? Is that just gonna be like your primary weapon?
Ah, there we go. There's the flint.
Do we have any more wood?
We don't.
Oh.
I'm out.
Okay. I'm gonna make an axe.
Almost there.
Some men just want to watch the world burn.
Unashamedly quoting great movies.
References.
There you go. I put the iron in the furnace.
Okay.
Iron furnace.
Do you want the cobblestone? Do you want the
There's
cobblestone?
a creeper. It's running
Yeah.
towards me.
Put it in the chest.
Yeah, well, that one.
Have you got any wood, Pat? Like,
I've got
logs?
58 planks.
Well, that doesn't help me.
Shut up.
Wow.
The comeback.
Oh
is
man,
The
it's
comebacks are
so loud.
okay.
real. Oh,
Okay. I fell.
Okay, perfect.
It's all good because I caught it.
Another fart.
It's another day,
Stop
another
jacking my iron.
fart. Jacking your iron.
Yes.
It's fine. There's
Stop
time.
jacking my
I
iron,
know.
dude. Oh.
Oh no! I was gonna make a pickaxe. No, not a pickaxe. An axe, and then I made a pickaxe.
Oh no.
Well,
You can.
Pat,
You call me a noob.
you can have this, Pat.
I don't need.
It's called
Okay,
an
fine.
accident,
I'll get more
not
wood.
just blind.
You can have a spare
Maybe it's-
pickaxe.
Oh, the pickaxe.
You always
yeah.
need more than one pickaxe anyway. So.
Yep.
I'll make a start then. You guys can keep the rest of the iron.
Big iron pick.
Where are you off to? Are you just gonna keep mining?
I'm off to do some more adventuring.
Off to
You want me to
see
go
the
with you?
blizzard.
On adventures.
I'm a lone wolf.
A
I
lone
work
wolf.
alone. Okay.
You could
Time to strike.
stay here and help me.
You just drew out your sword.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Guess what I made?
I don't know, terrible jokes. Oh.
I think Calum will see what I made.
Oh my gosh, did you make this
Hi,
crater?
Calum.
He made
Did
a
you
flint.
make this-
He made another flint and steel.
Oh.
Right, Patrick. No, go. Wait, come back. Come
Can
back.
I
come
ask
back.
who
No,
made the
come back,
crater?
come back. Wait, I've not got my sword. out. No, I want. Oh.
Okay.
Right, come back in. Come back
Actually-
inside.
Yeah.
You know what?
I need to make iron armor actually. 1 second.
Right,
Sweet.
test your skills
What skills?
and fight this zombie
What?
Where?
to the death. It's out here.
The specific zombie.
Even though this zombie's dead already.
Where?
I called him Steve.
Steve's dead.
Oh, so pro! You're a monster hunter now.
Oh, there's a creeper that just blew out half the house.
Oh, Callum. Patrick blew up the house.
It's
It
okay.
wasn't my fault.
Wait, what part of it?
That side bit. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's
That
like
just so happens to be the one material I do not have right
Me
now.
so sorry. Me so sorry.
Misa, sorry.
Have you got any of the remains of
man.
that?
No, exploded.
It all,
Died in a fire.
yeah, it all exploded.
I could help clean up if you want. I can just set everything on fire.
I think
Make
you should
start from
actually
clean.
just help yourself to the door. I'm having to destroy my staircase now.
Oh, perfect. Patrick, look at my crown.
Gold crown. Oh, it's not the gold you stole from me.
No, it's my gold. I dug that.
It's mine.
Okay.
I think we should-
I believe.
You don't really.
I always get gold crowns. They're great.
Alright.
I love my gold crowns.
More irons.
Oh, that go crown.
Making
okay.
myself iron armor. Getting up on level. Possibly gonna kill him soon. Not yet.
Are you literally just like getting?
The only reason he's doing it is to just
No,
destroy us.
He just wants to kill us.
I'm.
We're a team, remember? We're like a trio.
Yeah.
That's what we're meant to be.
Meant
He's just
to
like,
be.
yeah, sure. You know, when like time bomb inside this house.
Do we? Oh wait, Pat.
Yes.
Sorry, I had a slow moment.
Helmet. Okay. Bucket. I'm not bucket.
You know
Right.
Oh, I don't have enough for a
Bucket.
chest plate.
Fuck this. Wait,
What's your language? What's your profanity?
I said bucket.
Oh, no more
it's
iron.
fed up.
Okay. Right, I'm gonna venture off into the wild. Oh, I didn't make any torches. I need those as well.
Yeah,
Rookie mistake.
you'll need torches. They're quite important.
Do you guys have
Where
food?
are you going?
Can you spare me some food?
I did have food, but
There's
then
food in the chest.
you killed me.
Oh,
There's like
Um,
bread.
I'll take some bread.
I can make you some more if you want.
Oh, I just took all of it.
I just took all of
There is no bread left. I took it all. It's gone.
it. That your farm cow is just
Well.
gonna like have like all the wheat's just gonna grow in the shape of a penis now.
What am I
A
doing?
harness.
Parents. Big parents.
Oh, look, that was so cute with my helmet. Oh, it's like a panda.
Oh, let's see you. Let's see you.
Okay, need to sort out my inventory. Flint and steel always has to go number 2. Just in case someone annoys me.
Oi!
No.
What the heck is wrong with this?
No.
1v1 me.
Oh.
Fists only.
1v1 me, bro.
Hit me and then this whole house goes down.
Oh, Calum. I'm gonna say
Most
I'll
of-
never
Oh, no,
forgive
no.
you if you do that.
Most of the house is made of
Hindsight.
like
Alright.
stones. So
Oh my gosh, Patrick.
Patrick,
do not.
no.
I'm watching you from above, just planning to kill you.
Okay. I'm so sorry.
You know you're wasting the durability of that as well.
I know. It's only
So-
half durability. I need to save it for my pyro maniac tendencies.
Oh my gosh.
Right, now I need a bow.
I'm gonna go in
gosh.
like stealth and follow
Time to
you.
find some spiders.
Why, guys?
Dun,
There's
dun,
some
dun, dun,
some guys at the door.
Dun,
I
dun,
don't know if you
dun,
noticed.
dun,
They're kind of.
dun,
everywhere.
How do you use coordinates, man?
Coordinates.
201,
You press
665,
F, press
101.
F3. F3.
Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
Screenshot taken.
I'm so high up, and I need.
And so 200.
you get some- Calum,
Yes.
can you get some?
Oh,
sand for me?
creepers! I can make
Sand.
TNT soon then. Oh no.
Yeah, that works.
Oh,
Aw.
I'm so
Can you get some
proud.
sand for me?
Yeah, how much?
At least 6. Probably more.
I'm going back down my hole. I'll see you guys later.
Back into your hole.
Return to the hole.
Is it nice in there? Nice and wet and like.
Oh,
yes.
Oh my gosh, Cal, you had to make a sexual.
I didn't make it. I didn't make it
You
at
had
all.
to make a sexual.
You had to make a sexual.
It wasn't.
What
I was
would your
making like a
girlfriend
warm,
say?
like dirty, like
What would
hovel
your girl-
hole. Like
What would your girlfriend say?
What would
She
you
would
say,
laugh.
Calum?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cam your titties. Okay.
there's your sound.
Cheers.
You know what? Right. So
I should just kill Pat.
I was gonna talk about something.
Well,
there.
excuse me.
Just get
We've
rid of
already
it.
killed him before, and he killed us. Well, he killed me.
That's fair enough.
But
You know, once I find some.
Don't
Oh.
threaten us again. Let's say that's all you spend your time doing.
I know. With
Empty threats.
with your flint and steel.
Yes. Threatening to burn the house down while
Okay,
you like.
I know I'm using terrorist tactics right now.
Oh.
I promise, I'll pull through.
You'll pull through.
Yes, pull.
As long as you don't pull
You'll,
away,
you'll,
mate.
you'll pull.
Keyword.
Why, who do you want to pull, Pat?
I want to pull Pat. What?
You want to pull Pat? Oh my gosh.
I don't.
Okay, well, I'm moving you first on my hit list. Yeah. That's fine. That's good.
Hey, buddy.
What floor do you get
Nice card.
diamonds in?
It's either it's definitely below 20. Yeah, it's below 20, but I think it's either 16 or 11 is the best floor to find them on.
It's
F3?
16 or 12, I think.
Floor.
It's either 11, 12, or 16.
How do I find what floor I'm on?
Press F3,
Yes.
and then it's
But-
your Y coordinate. Yes, your Y coordinate.
I'm at 41.
Yep.
Is that way too low?
That's way too high.
Let's keep
Oh,
it
because
down.
it goes down. Ah, I get it. Oh,
Yeah.
maths, so easy.
Yeah.
So easy.
And then 0 is like obviously bedrock.
Bedrock, yeah.
Yeah.
I know all about that bedrock.
So Cal, what should I do?
Oh, you could see how this roof's looking. Not the roof, but the massive windows so far.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm gonna make the water fountain.
Yes. Do you need any glass for that or anything?
Nope, but I do need a bit of iron.
There's a bucket in the chest. But
Oh,
I think
yeah,
I've got
I'll
some
take that.
here.
I don't need
fuel.
iron anymore.
Okay, okay.
That was what I
that's
needed
cool.
before.
See,
What's up, Pat?
I said I had some iron.
Calum, there's
Oh,
stone
is
in
that the timer?
stone in the chest.
No, just
breaking immersion. Breaking immersion.
Yeah, but
We're
so
all-
subtle, so subtle.
we're all good. We're all good.
Yeah.
Calum, do you need stone?
No, it's fine. I'm making some.
Yeah, I made some earlier.
Wait, is that cobble? Oh,
I made
oh,
some
you-
earlier.
you're a star.
Stone.
Patrick,
It's
Whoa.
not funny.
Why?
Oh.
How is it an innuendo?
No, it's not. It's not an innuendo. It's just like in Amsterdam, you go to a bakery. You go to a bakery.
I don't
Sick.
get it. I don't understand.
I don't even know.
Oh my gosh.
Is it age appropriate? No.
This
Yeah.
game is rated 3+.
Patrick's not.
Wow.
Oh, you bad man.
We're gonna get flagged for like
No, we're not.
for harassment.
Calum,
We're
come
not
tell me how this
harassing
window
anyone,
looks.
so. What?
Come tell me how the window looks.
In a minute.
Okay.
I'm building a water fountain.
F3. 21. Right, 20.
1.
Yeah, 120. Okay, time to strip back.
Calum, I used all of your stone.
All of it.
Yeah, already. Oh no, I've not. I've
Already.
still got more.
I.
It's okay, I've still got tons. I thought I didn't, I thought I used it all.
Oh, found diamond.
Seriously?
I'm kidding.
Oh, I found diamond.
Would you guys been annoyed if I found diamond first?
Yeah,
Yeah.
No, not really, but.
I would have. Spends no time helping. He just goes out looking for his own fortune.
I would
It's
just-
fine. It's
I
fine. I
would-
would have shared. I would shared the horde with you guys.
Because
Oh,
we're
yeah.
a team, remember?
Yeah,
Oh,
we're a
yeah.
team. Yeah. Yes. Whoa.
Yeah,
I'm not being sarcastic, guys. We're our team. Have some trust in me, like in Kingsman. Remember, teamwork.
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 We are the Kingsmen.
I don't know if we are, Pat.
It's a good film, actually.
What's a good film?
Like, there's like. I mean, everyone
that
knew.
Norwegian princess.
Swedish. Come on, get it right.
Swedish, come on.
But I
At least
mean,
if you're gonna comment.
it's like that bit though when the girl drowns at the beginning.
And that bit
I
when she
think-
shows her butt this then.
Is that the only bit?
That's,
that-
he remembers none of the plot. Just
No, I remember
Well-
a lot of the
well,
plot.
he's
There was
remembering
big
a lot
plot.
of the plot.
There's a big plot.
But
you just.
But
You just oh.
oh gosh.
Oh my gosh, the window looks magnificent. Just gonna say.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
Shut up.
Artificial. Sorry. We're gonna
1, 2.
big
and
window.
The big iron ingots at the top.
1, 2. Buckle.
Wow.
My
I made making a
shoe.
pickaxe sound so erotic. Okay.
oh my god.
Only Patrick.
On my way. Still no diamonds. Oh my gosh.
No diamonds for you, son.
Come on. So close.
I'm so proud of you, Pat. You've come so far in the last 2 episodes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not really helping with the house.
No, I've noticed.
I will, but I'm gathering materials.
You could
right?
gather some oak wood if you want to help.
I will in after I get diamonds.
That could be a while.
This looks so weird.
Well, I might have already found some and not told you. I'm kidding.
If you had.
An iron pickaxe can mine diamond, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's cool.
Should have told them no. It's exclusively
I've
Ruby.
I've made the water fountain, Calum. It kind of looks okay. Ish. I'm not done. I'm not done.
It has to be taller, Calum.
I need something else. It wasn't going to be like a grand, huge, magnificent water
Calum,
fountain.
look at the house.
It was only going to be a small one.
Look at the house.
Okay, I think we'll finish it in the next episode then.
Are we done this episode?
Yeah, I'd say we are.
We're gonna
Patrick, what have you
Say
done?
goodbye.
Absolutely nothing.
That's fine. Calum,
This. So far.
I'm proud. And I did that.
I'm just
shaped
gonna
triangle.
go for a little.
Okay, goodbye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.